We'll climb into the low to mid 80s as we do have that chance for a few passing rain showers heading into the afternoon for today. And the comfort index, unfortunately, not all that comfy. Again, we have tropical air in place. That's not going to change here for the next several days. Really not until we get toward the end of next week. So about 8 or 9 days from now, we could see a little bit of relief from the humidity, but that is still a long ways off if it ends up happening for us. So not a great beach day out there again today. A 2 out of 5 on our wave forecast, similar to yesterday. Winds a little bit breezier as we head into the afternoon, and the waves up to 5 to 6 feet with a moderate rip current brisk as we head through the afternoon today. Tonight into tomorrow, that's when we have the potential for some localized flooding. It is a weather alert on Saturday, and the Weather Prediction Center has placed most of Rhode Island, southeastern Massachusetts in a level 2 out of 5 slight risk, or 2 out of 4 rather, for heavy rainfall on Saturday. A 15 to 40% chance for flash flooding tomorrow. And there's also a flood watch in effect for all of Rhode Island and Bristol County, Massachusetts. So for today, 7:30 in the morning, some heavier showers potentially crossing places like Newport down toward Tiverton. As we head into the late morning, some showers making their way across Rhode Island towards southeastern Massachusetts. Later this afternoon, we'll get a brief break in the action, but then overnight tonight, here comes the round of heavier rain as we get into Saturday morning. This could come with some embedded thunderstorms by about 5 a.m. Saturday, when we may get woken up by some flashes of lightning and rumbles of thunder out there. Some of the heavier rain continues to cross the area during the mid-morning hours Saturday, and I wouldn't rule out this heavier band ends up farther to the north towards Providence, potentially up to Woonsocket and Attleboro. And then as we head into the afternoon, and especially on Sunday, we'll begin to dry things out for the second half of the weekend. Then we'll really heat things up. Temperatures climb into the upper 80s, close to 90 degrees by Sunday afternoon. Total rainfall amounts on Saturday, 1 to 2 inches, pretty widespread across the area. Where some of those heavier rainfall bands set up, we could see some locally higher amounts, and that raises that concern for some spots that could see some localized flooding as we get into the first part of the weekend. Our 10-day forecast showing temperatures in the 80s for today, upper 70s tomorrow. With all of the clouds and the rain we're expecting, it's going to be a touch cooler. Sunday near 90 degrees to close out the weekend. Early next week, we're looking at several days that could be near that 90-degree mark, Monday into Tuesday. And then we have another chance for some showers and thunderstorms as we get